How to fix a flickering screen on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a flickering screen on Windows. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to restart your PC. So here simply click on the start menu, and now here you can simply click on power icon, and after that you can simply click on restart to reboot your computer, because sometimes a simple reboot can reset the display driver. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to check if Task Manager flickers. So here simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. And now here, if the Task Manager flickers, then it might be display driver issue. But here, if only desktop app flickers, then it might be a app conflict. So here, by doing this, it will help you to know the cause. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to update or reinstall display drivers. So here simply press Windows plus X, and after that on the pop-up menu simply click on Device Manager. And now here, once you are inside the Device Manager, simply search and expand the Display Adapters option, and there you can simply right click on your GPU, and after that on the pop-up menu you can simply click on Update Driver, and after that you can simply click on Search Automatically. And after that you can simply click on Update Driver if you found anything and reinstall the drivers. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to change screen refresh rate. So here you can simply right click on the desktop, and after that you can simply click on display settings. And now here, once you are inside the display option, simply scroll down, and there you simply have to click on advanced display. And now here you can set the display settings from here, and here you can also change the refresh rate if available to stop the flickering issue. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to disable Windows visual effects. So here what you can do is simply press Windows plus R, and there you can simply type sysdm.cpl and simply press on enter. And now here, once you do that, you simply have to click on advanced in the system properties. And now here, once you are in the advanced tab, you simply have to go under performance, and there you simply have to click on settings. And now here in this section, you simply have to choose or select adjust for best performance, and after that you simply have to click on apply. And once you're done with it, you simply have to click on OK, and this will help you to reduce the flickering issue. And with that, you will be able to fix the flickering issue on your Windows. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.